Hello everybody, this is Gabriel with Gabe Home Outdoor Services. I just get here with my irrigation technician where he's installing irrigation controller. Let me tell you about this customer. So she has a small front yard. We did some beautiful garden installation in the front in the past. You can see some videos in the past. You will find it. And then so right here she has a beautiful yard right now, and then she always, to try to keep it green, she always come and manually turn the irrigation valve, so that way she can irrigate the front garden in grass. But last time we was here, and then we was replacing a couple of sprinkler heads, and we just did a recommendation to install an electronic irrigation timer controller, and she accepted. Yeah, she said good, let's do it, because she's always doing manually. So but we are here to provide solutions, irrigation solutions and landscape solutions, but also to give a customer like that hand, so they don't have to do it manually. If we can do it like electronic or even with their phone, we can do it. We always looking ways to help the customer, like giving some advice that is gonna be helpful for for them. So let me just walk out. Let's take a look of the technician. He's installing it right now. The service van is right there, so I'm gonna walk that way, and then you guys can see it. We are working here, and then you can see the job we do. This is our one of our service van. We're gonna just take a look here what he's doing. Okay, here you go, technician Fernando. So let's take a look over there, guys. So this is the front yard, and a couple of days ago we just finished with this beautiful garden. You can see some plants, rocks, and it's a little bit bright because the sun is just in the front. But this is the small lawn, so always she has to come and turn on manually. There is the irrigation valve, so manually she has to come and then turn on the irrigation, so that way the sun turns on. Let me reply that. Let me do that. So that's, she has to come do manually turn on, so that way the irrigation can come on. Okay, so we're gonna just avoid that. That's not necessary to do it. So we just came last time and fixed a couple of sprinkler heads here in the front, and right now we did we'll give that advice to install an irrigation timer controller, so that way she doesn't have to do that, and automatic irrigate the front yard. Okay, so here we are going to install the controller. So we're gonna take power from the main power breaker and just run a pipe and give power to the controller. There is the timer controller, is a Hunter brand, and we are going to run a wire, communication wire, from the controller all the way to the irrigation valve, so that way the timer controller just keep track to the time, whatever is gonna be set it up, and just irrigate automatic. That's it. We always providing solutions to landscape, hardscape, and irrigation. Okay, so give us a call, 407-401-6837. See you next time.